Hey friend, today we're going to be doing just a quick review, a quick look at the Azio Foqo Pro hot swap mechanical keyboard. Hopefully I said that correctly. Inside the box, you'll find a nice little quick tip on top on how to safely insert new switches into your new hot swap keyboard in case you would like to swap out the original ones it came with. I know I definitely will be. It also comes with 2 different user manuals in 2 different languages. Beneath the foam, you'll find your new hot swap mechanical keyboard. And it also comes with a keycap switch removing tool as well as a USB to USB Type-C cable. I find that a lot of these newer keyboards these days comes with this tool, but it's definitely worth mentioning that it has it. Gonna go ahead and switch the keyboard on now. It uses USB and 3 different Bluetooth options. You can also swap between which operating system you happen to be using that day, PC or Mac. Really nice touch with the logo. It is etched into the top aluminum casing of the keyboard. And it also has a multimedia lighting and macro mode used with the knob. I'm really loving the knob. It's super easy to navigate the RGB with it. You can change the colors, change the lighting effects, turn it on and off. Really nice touch for this keyboard. Gonna go ahead and turn the keyboard off now and then remove the USB Type-C cable. Here's the port for those that are interested in it. Again, this knob is super smooth and I love the performance of it. It is inspired by vintage cameras and it comes with a really nice fake leather feel in the back. But let's see how the keyboard sounds. I don't know if you could tell, but during that type test, I did find the backspace key to be a bit more rattly than the others. Overall, I thought they were pretty well lubed. I do think a keyboard like this will probably require some modifications. I'm definitely gonna swap out the switches, probably for some silence, because I'd like to take this guy into the office with me. A lot of this keyboard, I really love the idea of it, but it just kind of gives off a bland vibe for me personally. So I'll definitely have some modifications to make for this. I do have some artisan keycaps that are on their way. They'll probably not arrive until November-ish, but they will be a nice touch. So I'll definitely be posting another something on this keyboard shortly with those keycaps because I want to add to that camper vibe theme with this vintage style keyboard. I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of Disney Tarzan. You know what I'm talking about? Which I've always loved. Really, honestly, it's a cool design. It's a cool keyboard, super smooth knob. Just off the bat, I'm gonna give this keyboard a solid 7 out of 10. I do really like it. I just think it could use some modifications. The only big con for me is it doesn't come with that USB receiver. It doesn't come with that. It's just USB or Bluetooth. That's the biggest con for me out of this entire experience so far with this keyboard. Other than that, I think it's cool. I like the idea. So if you're thinking about picking up this keyboard, it seems like it could be a pretty great keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you got value out of this video or if you enjoyed it. And I will be back very shortly with more keyboard content.